How you doing? Ready to change some oil?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got a 2015 Subaru Outback, 3.6 liter. What's that? And that's the engine. 3.6 liters. Yes. And we're going to change what in it?
Oil.
Oil. What type of oil? Synthetic. 5W30?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to put in a new oil filter.
Yeah.
Keeps the new oil clean. And we're going to crawl under here. We're going to show you guys what it takes to change the oil on this 2015 Subaru Outback.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy the video. Yeah. Everybody, thumbs up. Okay, let's get to work.
Yes. Yeah.
You gonna turn this around and record me?
Yeah. There's a little spot for me.
17 millimeter on the oil pan.
There's a
your oil filter
little
again.
spot for me.
Where'd the other piece of this go? Right here. The socket and the extension, 17 millimeter. I think my head is right about where the oil is gonna splatter me. It's not a good spot to be in, huh, Jules? You don't want to get splattered.
Yes.
I don't know who tightened this up, but they put a good wrenching on it.
It was Mom.
That's funny.
Mommy did it very tight.
Let's get a bigger socket wrench.
Yeah.
Videotape your wrench.
Hello, where'd you go?
Or we have to get big nasty.
Yeah. It's big and nasty.
What's big nasty? The bar? The pipe?
Yeah. Pipe. Because it's big and nasty.
You're right. There we go. That one works. You had more leverage. So I got it loose with this one.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a bigger one than the small one we had. See, we had a 3/8.
Dad, where's
There's a 3/8. We went to a 1/2 inch.
Oh.
Yeah. 1/2 inch drive. Because this is a 1/2 inch.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if my bucket's going to be big enough. We should use the bigger of the two. Just go ahead and waste it. Versus later. Do you want to lay down?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out. Oh, you got this on your eyes. Here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm twisting it and it's going to start squirting out. If it starts spraying us, you back up quick, okay? You back up quick enough?
Yeah.
It did start spraying us, didn't it?
Yeah. Dad, I got on the glove.
I'm lucky it just got on the glove and it didn't get on my face as fast as it came out. Can you do me a favor? I need some blue paper. I need some paper towels. Blue. Okay. Pop up on. Let's do it.
Okay.
Now, is it done dripping? Is it dripped enough?
Nope.
It's coming out this little hole here still a little bit. Should we let it drip for a long time?
Yeah.
How long should we let it drip?
10.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't think I can sit in here for 10 more minutes.
Or 2.
I think you got most all of it out. I think we can put this back on.
Yeah.
Beep beep. Let's do a little bit of this right here. And then I'll get this started so the drips will stop.
Dad, that was
Don't touch the towel. Was it awesome when it came out?
Yeah.
Like, like a gusher of oil.
Yeah.
You always want to clean up.
Yeah.
after you're done.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't get in a bunch of oil all over everybody else around here.
Dad, it's night time.
Yes, it is 9:95. You're right.
Let me tell Jack oil. Lots of oil comes out.
Now we got to get the oil filter out.
He's for watching Power Rangers.
We're going to get a little bit more oil. Better take one more part off underneath here. Okay, we're going to show everybody the access panel.
Tell me I want to come up here too.
You want to come in the bottom of the car? So we get the access panel here for the oil filter. You have to pop these tabs off with a screwdriver right here. You take a little screwdriver. Ooh, that's where that stuff can get your eyes. Back up a little bit. We're going to pop this one here. Can you back up just on here? Cover your eyes. Watch out. We're going to pop that one loose. See? Just pop them with the screwdriver there.
Yes.
And it's up.
Whoa! I see it. I'm doing it closer. Whoa. Yes, it is.
Wait. Back up. I want to hit you with my arm. Something up here keeping me from getting. Jill, I need to scoot that way. Sorry, honey. I gotta take a peek.
It's a
Oh, there we go.
Now too.
Got her. Got her on there.
It's a girl. And it's a girl.
Jill, need you back up because the oil's going to come out of this. Very hard to get that on and off right there. Get that oil wrench on and off is a difficult little task. Watch out, it's going to come out. You don't want to be close, remember?
Yeah.
Okay, just let that drain. Okay. Oh. No, Jill, you need to back up. It'll drip into your face.
Why?
Because oil is very dangerous. You know why?
No.
It's made out of old dinosaurs that were under the ground being crushed over millions of years, and they turned into oil.
Oh.
And lots of plants.
Oh.
They were all buried deep under the ground, and they turned into oil.
Oh.
And now we burn it,
Yeah.
and we use it for our engines.
Yeah.
You know what it does in the engine?
No.
It makes it so the moving parts inside the engine, when it's running, when it's going vroom, vroom, all that oil goes up into the engine and keeps everything moving because it's slick. It's real slippery, oil is.
Oh.
So the metal parts don't go, they keep moving.
Oh.
Yeah. You learned that, huh?
Dad.
Yeah.
I want to put oil in.
Okay. You got any other questions?
No.
Any questions about cars?
No.
Do you know how cars, do you know how they make horsepower?
No.
They have gasoline. Where do you get gasoline from?
I don't know.
The gas store down with the shopette when mommy fills up the back tank with the little nozzle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that puts gasoline in the gas tank.
Hey, it looks like that.
No, that's oil. Gasoline looks clear and smells different.
Oh.
So gasoline smells really bad too. But it goes in the back of the car and it gets pumped up into the engine. So mommy puts the gasoline in the car and the gasoline comes up to the front of the car when you start it, and it goes into the engine, and air mixes with it from outside, and then the next thing is a spark plug. Remember I changed those out of my truck, the little spark plugs? They go spark, 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 and fuel in the air goes boom, it explodes, and it makes the pistons go up and down, like this. And that's what makes the wheels turn. Okay. First thing we're going to do, Jewel, this is the dipstick.
Oh.
Yeah. See, it's got a little picture of an oil can on there?
Yeah.
Like that one? Let's take the dipstick out. Wow, it's a short one. And we're going to look on it. See those dots?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to wipe it all clean. See how many dots are there?
3.
Yeah. One says low, L. Hold it backwards here. One of those dots says L for low, F for full. So we want it just up to maybe close to the top dot, but not going over.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So I'll get that cleaned off. Put it back in. Take this cap off.
Ta-da.
Check the bottom of the cap. Does anything look like it's other than oil in there?
It's dirty in the inside.
It's just a little dirty. Okay, we'll wipe that off.
On the inside.
And the inside?
Yeah.
But there's nothing like milky looking in there. It just looks like oil, right?
Yeah.
That's good, because if it looked milky, it'd be bad. I mean, there'd be some coolant in there. I mean, there'd be a bad gasket in the engine. We put it right there so we can see it. We'll get rid of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how I
No,
put it.
I'm going to get you a funnel and a bunch of oil.
Then, do we put
Stay right there.
straw there?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh.
You think it works with a straw?
No.
It's close to a straw.
Oh. It's a big one?
This is called a oil funnel. This is the
Oh.
super quick fill funnel. So you put oil down in here, and it comes out there.
Oh.
I'm going to make sure it's clean first. I'm going to wipe it all out, make sure it's clean, because we don't want any dirt going in the engine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we want a nice and clean oil.
Yeah.
Always make sure we keep those clean on the inside and outside. And we can put it right there. Good fit.
And I put it in.
Here, you put that in the hole. Put in the oil fill.
Whoa.
You can hold on right here if you need to. Put your hand right here. And then move it with your other hand. There you go. Ready to
Did
go.
I only touch it dirty?
This is 5 quarts and we need 6.9, so it'll be just a little bit more than one of these.
Yeah.
There's another foil. So this is real heavy. Feel how heavy this is. Are you going to be able to lift it?
No.
Yeah, I'll do a little bit and then you do a little bit, okay? And we'll do it together as a team.
Yeah.
Okay. Teamwork.
Yeah.
Who'd you learn teamwork from? Umizoomi, yeah. They teach teamwork all the time. Look, I had to poke a hole in it. And then peel it back. Make sure we don't drop it inside of it, huh?
Yeah. Oh.
Well, that's right. Don't drop it
Then
on.
we do a team.
It's like a teamwork. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. We both do it.
Okay. You hold it. Yeah, there you go. Ready? Here, I'll do it started, then we do the team, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, get it? Okay, team, help me just a little bit. You got it on the bottom?
Yeah.
You see it going in?
No.
Here, lean over. Now you see?
Yeah.
What's the oil look like now? Does it look clean?
Yeah.
Does it look black?
No.
No, this is the good oil. This is the new stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop right there. Check it. Oh, yep, that's 1 quart. So now they've got 6 in there.
Yes.
Let's see how close it is. Remember, it's got to run down to the bottom, though, for us to check it, so let's give it a second.
Yeah.
Is there more oil in there this time?
Yeah.
Looks like it's almost up to the low mark. Let's check it one more time here. See where it's at. This is the process, isn't it?
Yeah.
You gotta keep doing all these steps until you get it just right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see, you see where it's at now? You see that shiny? It's at the first dot, right? Right there?
Yeah.
So all the way up to there. Because when this is down in there, the oil is coming up here and touching right there. We want it to move up just a little bit more, be in the middle. So I say we put another little bit in and see, and then check it again.
Yeah.
You're a really good teammate, you know that?
Yeah. We need to clean that, and we have to.
You need to clean the top of the engine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dirty, huh?
Yeah, all of
All of them are dirty.
Yes.
You like cars, huh?
Yes.
That's good. Oh, did it get closer?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost there. Look, is it between them almost?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like right between.
I need to touch the last dot.
Yeah, we want to get just before the last dot.
Oh.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Just a splish more.
Yeah.
A little splish. You know what a splish is? It's half a splash.
Oh.
At least that's what I say.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's ever been proven though. Just a splish.
Yeah. I don't know.
Don't fall.
It's barely there.
Barely there? What do you think? More, or we just let it go like that?
Let it go.
Let it go?
Yeah.
I think you're right.
It's right